Hey everybody, we're in Virginia. In fact, we're in Chesapeake Bay, Virginia.
Again, and we love it here. There were a few places we didn't get to see last time, so we went through Williamsburg Historic Downtown. Very, very nice.
Yeah, and we're going to revisit Yorktown. They are doing blues
Barbecue.
and brews.
Woohoo!
So that'll be fun. And we're also going to show you a cute little town that is very historical, and it soon may well be a new national park. Yay!
We're also going to the Vibe. Really cool area, Virginia Beach.
And it's so clean. We love that place. And the Vibe is an art community, so you're going to see some wonderful art. Stay with us. Hi, we're in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Never been here before. It's amazing. Now we're going to show you something really cool right now.
The Vibe District.
And we just learned about it, but it's going to be amazing. It's an art center right here, 3-4 blocks long in Virginia Beach.
Can't wait, come watch.
The Vibe is a unique world all on its own. Bike racks were pieces of art.
It was like walking through a gallery of street artists.
Even the planters were works of art.
These were apartments. It was filled with quirky shops and coffee houses.
Wisteria gone wild. I would love this picture in my living room.
The intersections are painted every 2 years, not just the crosswalks.
Unique parking meters.
We found a building that was also a piece of art. Really great beaches surrounded by tall hotels. It's really windy.
Again.
And so the Windy City is now not Chicago, it's Virginia Beach.
They have a stable for horse rentals right on the beach.
This Naval Aviation Memorial Park is along the boardwalk, and it was spectacular. Each statue was a specific aspect or person in naval history.
The airbase was very close and provided the soundtrack for the monument when the jets flew overhead. Our son-in-law calls this the sound of freedom. This guy was magnificent, and so was this one.
The sculpture was detailed on every side.
We got so lost in the vibe, we missed some great sights.
The Virginia Aviation Museum. Cape Henry Lighthouse was the first commissioned lighthouse by the newly formed U.S. government. The then Secretary of Treasury, Alexander Hamilton, was involved in the commissioning.
Driving around Virginia is like almost all of the East Coast. Small, tree-lined roads. Absolutely beautiful. We found another great art piece.
This is my favorite billboard. This is historic Gloucester, and the woman in the gift shop was so informative.
Told us a fascinating story about the discovery of where the tribal center of the Powhatan tribe was found.
First, let's show you the little colonial village they're restoring in the center of a roundabout.
This was the jail.
This is where they kept the records. Since the previous two buildings burned down, they made it fireproof. Hey everyone, today we're in Machikomoko.
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 So this is our really exciting place. We're going to walk around today. It's on the area, and we're just going to take a look around and see what's what. Come join us.
John Smith drew such a detailed map in his 2 years in the area. They knew that Werowocomoco had to be close, but they just couldn't find it. The story goes a woman named Lindsay Ripley liked to collect pieces that she found on the shore of the York River at the back of her house. In 2001, some archaeologists met with her and her husband Bob and confirmed the site as Werowocomoco, which means place of leadership.
We learned that Werowocomoco is the first archaeological project to work with the Virginia Indian Advisory Board, and it's slated to be a national park.
So this is where we're eating today.
It's a wonderful restaurant. The view is spectacular over the Chesapeake Bay. Can you imagine having this as your backyard? You'll find a link in our comments section for you to go deeper.
Down by the river.
Finally made it to the river. This is an amazing place. You can see how this is going to become part of a national park because they've put so much effort into the history.
So we're here at the Barbecue Blues and Brews Festival. You can hear the music in the background. We're really excited to see what's going on.
Fun day.
Is there anything cuter than a dancing baby?
California is the name, yeah. California, California. What makes your big head so hard? The green room is smoky and the bars are burning down. Throw my baby out the window, let the sun come down. All because it's carnival time.
There is something spectacular about listening to the blues next to the water.
You know it's carnival time.
This was the beer tent area and it was hopping. Pun was definitely intended.
It's carnival time. Well, it's carnival time. You know it's carnival time.
This is how they learn.
To my heart and my soul, everything. Let me ride on my back. And you gotta get back.
We took a lovely walk along the river, and it led us to the Living Museum.
It's date night!
Yeah, we're going to see Guardians of the Galaxy number 4.
Gotta do it. Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like our videos, please press the subscribe button.